Alright guys, here we go. Got some more work done on the 55. Go ahead and start right here. Not sure if I showed this on the last video, but I redid the amp rack. I'm gonna be moving the amp rack back towards me a little bit and down so that you can see the batteries in the terminals through the glass here. Just needs to go down a little bit. So next, did the door pins on both sides. I did the steering column, tilt steering column with the hazards and everything on it. I did the ignition, and then I did a ton of wiring all under here. Got some lights under the dash here. Right there. Put new seal up here, new bolts, new mount for the new style steering column. I got all this wire going. Looks a little bit like a mess, but when it's done, it'll all be like this. Or like this wire is here. It'll be nice and clean. Everything tucked up under. I got my dimmer switch here all wired up and already taped up. I got the fuse box and the relay set up here. And then I got all this extra bundle of wires. This is gonna be for AC and stuff later. And then I went ahead and ran all new wires to the front for the headlights and electric fan, horn, marker lights. And then here goes the new wire coming out from down there. Drilled the new hole, so it's gonna be tucked back here. And then it'll run up underneath the fender here to this headlight, and then across here. Go across the core support over to the other fender and back out those lights. And that's the wire for that side. Two over here. Put on this piece here. Put made rubber seals for here and here. All new hardware. And then I put this rubber seal on also. And then one more thing, went ahead and hooked up the alarm and remote start. So here goes the remote. That's armed. Disarmed. And then when it's done, all the lights will flash with everything just like it's supposed to with the alarm. As soon as I get everything put in. I already put a new harness here. So these are brand new. all the way to the front. And this is going to be the next project. I'm waiting on some 10 gauge wire and stuff to finish up all the headlights, and then finish up tying up all the loose ends on this wire and tucking it up under the dash so it's done. So hopefully in the next day or two I get my my wire and stuff. Anyways, the tail light's gonna be the next project. I just bought the new hardware kit. Comes with everything to do the back tail lights and the front marker lights. I already had new seals. I just bought the LED reverse lights. I had the LED tail lights already, which are super nice and bright. And then I already put the new reverse light in the back. The 55s don't come factory with with a reverse option. It's just there, but not all the cars came out with it originally. It was just an option. But anyways, I already put all that new stuff on, painted it. I'm just gonna clean all these terminals so everything grounds good with these parts, with the connection, like the flange. This one I'm gonna take off too and clean right here and on the back side of the paint to make sure it's getting metal to metal. And then I already have these, are like the stock style reverse light lenses.
I'm not sure.
And then that's it. So I'm gonna do this project next. And then hopefully here soon I can get the wire and finish that up. If not, I'll have to find something else to do. I got plenty of projects. So yeah, till next time.